So if you haven't watched the previous two questions, it's probably a good idea to start with those. But this one says, for the following reactions, decide if the entropy is, the change in entropy is positive or negative. In this case, we have aqueous ions forming a crystalline solid. In this case, you have ions floating around in solution with freedom of motion, forming a more ordered crystalline solid, AgCl solid. So in this case, these were more random, and this is less random. So delta S is going to be negative because entropy decreases. Said another way, AgCl is more ordered than silver ions and chloride ions floating around in solution. What about in this case? Here we have CaCO yields CaO plus CO2. All right, this should be CaCO3. So this should be CaCO3 yields CaO plus CO2. In this case, we have a solid forming a solid and a gas. So effectively, a solid forms a gas. A solid, as we've talked about before, is much more ordered than a gas. So when a gas is formed, or more gas is formed, so in this case from 0 moles of gas to 1 mole of gas, the entropy is going to increase and delta S is a positive value.